coming back with another review. Alright, yes, I know we're in the dark, but there's a reason for that. Here we have a white noise machine. It has many different sounds. It lights up, as you see, nice and bright. I'm going to back away so you don't get the glare. It has different colors. Red, green, purple, greenish yellow, blue, purplish, flashing, emergency strobe flashing, I would say, a fade, on and off. Let's go to, it also has the regular light, on and off. This button here is for your noises, your volume, this one here changes it. This one here I really like, that's my favorite. And this one. I also like the dripping. The baby boom is another great one. The baby will feel comfortable sleeping with that. The tick-tock, and that's the end of it. It's a really nice light. It's a great noise machine for canceling out noise for adults or babies. It's really a great item.